Hi, I am Ashrita Shetty. I started a YouTube channel, and if you have somehow found this video, you probably must be wondering who is this person, what this channel is about, and why should I even care? By the end of this video, you will know what this channel is all about, what kind of stuff I'm sharing, and the real reason why I decided to hit the record button. So let's get started. Why YouTube? There are 4 reasons behind it. So one of the reason is I am a huge fan of Ali Abdaal. It's not only his content, is the kind of person that he has grown up to be. I have been following his channel for a very long time. I really like the kind of things, like whatever he learned, he shared and helped the people around him as well, and built meaningful things along the way, which is the kind of person that I wish to be in some point of time. And the second reason is I like learning a lot of new things, like be it anything, like trying out new experiences, read a lot of books, trying out different tools that makes my life easier. I felt like I'm learning a lot of things if I put myself out there and share my learning, so a person who is in the same position of me would benefit as well. So that's one more reason. The third reason is I want to build a personal brand of my own, and I want to get good at is like in terms of communication, having a better vocabulary, and building confidence in speaking to camera. Overall, I felt that putting myself consistently out there and working on all these things, I feel like I would be more closer to the dreamer version of me, and that's why I decided to go with creating this channel. So what kind of stuff am I actually going to be making? If I read a book, like it changes my perspective, then I'll share it. If I learn a tool that makes my life easier in certain aspects of my work that I do, then I would definitely walk you through it. If I try out any interesting experiences that I feel like worth sharing, you will definitely hear about it. Let me be honest, I haven't looked into specific niche as I have just started my channel. I'm still unsure how to go about it. Main focus is that I want to be consistent and I want to get good at creating content first and then narrow down what kind of niche that I want to go ahead. This channel will evolve as I evolve. You are coming along on the journey with me. I'm not going to pretend like I have it all figured out, and I think that's completely okay as long as I'm getting started. And overall, on a personal note, this channel is more of me becoming my better version. I don't know how this channel will go. It may stay small, it may grow into something big. I can't even imagine right now. One thing I'm very sure is that I will not have any regrets in terms of not trying. I would like to look at myself in the future like, oh yeah, I did try this thing, and instead of wondering, what would have happened if I had given a shot. And that's why I'm here. Thank you so much for watching. Seriously, if you have made till here, this means a lot to me, especially when I'm starting my journey early on. And if any of this resonated with you, and if you wish to see more content from me, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you along for the ride, and see you in the next one.